Hi, class. Very good morning to all of you. And this lecture is for class 7. And we are the topic of integers of multiplication of integers. And in the previous lectures, we will have discussed about properties of subtraction. And as you know, multiplication is repeated addition of integers. Multiplication is the repeated addition of integers. And here first one, multiplication of two positive integers. When both integers are positive, then we multiply the values regardless of their sign and assign the positive sign. For example, if we have two integers, 8 multiply 9, and then we got only 72, and we have assigned the positive sign here. Now second one, multiplication of two negative integers. When both integers are negative, then we multiply their values regardless of their sign and assign the negative sign. Suppose we have minus 7 and minus 15, and we have to multiply it. We just multiply the 7 multiply 15, and we assign the positive sign here, and we get 105. Now third one is multiplication of a positive and a negative integer. When both integers are of opposite sign, then we multiply their numerical values regardless of their signs and assign the negative sign. For example, if we have 10 and minus 5, 10 is of positive sign and 5 is of negative sign, we just multiply it. 10 multiply 5 and assign the negative sign here. So 10 multiply 5, 50, but due to this sign we got minus 50. Now we will discuss about properties of multiplication of integers, and in it first one is closure property. The product of two integers always an integers. Property stated, if we have a and b be two integers, then a multiply b is also an integer, and you can see in that example also. Now the second property, commutative property. According to this property, the product of two integers the same whatever the order of the integers. Property 2, what should say? If a and b be two integers, then a multiply b equal to b multiply a. There is no changing in the result if we replace the orders of integers. Third one is associative property, and according to associative property, the product of three or more integers remains the same whatever may be the grouping of integers. Means, according to the property third, if a, b and c be any three integers, then a multiply in the bracket b multiply c equal to a multiply b in the bracket, and now multiply c. Both are same, left hand side and right hand side are equal. Now the fourth property, distributive property of multiplication over addition and subtraction. Distributive property of multiplication over addition and subtraction. For any three integers a, b and c, we have first one, we have two properties here. First one, second one. First one is used for the distributive property of multiplication over addition, and second one is for distributive property of multiplication over subtraction. So first one we will discuss our addition property. A multiply in the bracket b plus c equal to a multiply b plus a multiply c. And the second one, the property is distributive property of multiplication over subtraction. A multiply in the bracket b minus c equal to a multiply b minus a multiply c. So these are the distributive property of multiplication over subtraction and addition. Now the next one, fifth property, multiplicative identity, and according to it, the product of an integer and one is integer itself. As you know, if we multiply any number or any integer, any whole number, any natural number with 1, we get the number itself. Property 5, expect 0. Property 5, if a be any integer, then a multiply 1 equal to a. And here, note down, 1 is also called multiplicative identity. This is a main fill in the blanks. Blank is also called multiplicative identity. So you have to write 1. Now sixth property, multiplicative inverse. The product of an integer and its reciprocal always remains 1. According to multiplicative inverse property, the product of integer and its reciprocal gives 1. So that is, we have the integers 25 multiplied with its reciprocal 1 by 25, we got the answer 1. So according to it, a multiply 1 by a equal to 1. And the seventh property now, property of 0. The product of an integer and 0 is always 0. For example, 17 multiplies 0 equal to 0, minus 23 multiplies 0 equal to 0. So property 7 states that if a be the integer, then a multiplies 0 equal to 0. So this is your properties of multiplication of integers. And for homework, you have to write these property in your notebook and you have to learn these all property as well. Thank you.